Hey guys, so currently getting ready to head to a showroom about 30 minutes away, maybe 40 minutes away. And it's called A-List. The showroom's called A-List and they carry a bunch of different brands and they're freaking amazing. I've gone to them a couple of times, but they asked me to come in to pick some stuff out, which I'm so grateful for. So I'm getting ready to go there. But since it is a little far from me, it's in like Beverly Hills, West Hollywood area. I don't really go to that area that often just because it's like a trek and a half every time. There's so much traffic. I always like to like either go and run a couple errands down there or treat myself to a xoxo matcha. I don't know if you guys know what that is, but it's like this really fun fancy matcha place in West Hollywood that I never go to. Maybe I've gone 3 times in my life, but because I'll be next to it, why not? I might head to the Grove and go to Nordstrom to buy some candles that I've been wanting to get for my new place. So today, you know, is another fun-filled day for me. It's a lot of driving, but it's okay. Also guys, I just want you to see my eyelashes have grown tremendously in the last like 2 months. I've been using Grande Lash every night. I know for some people, okay, got it on my eyelid. I know for some people it doesn't work. It like burns their eyes and shit and it like stains their lid a little bit. I really don't know how good it is for you. I have actually no freaking clue. That's like insane. I didn't have eyelashes before. My eyelashes were shot because I used to wear fake lashes all the time and stuff, but it could be worth a shot. But Grande Lash really has done it for me. This isn't even like a brand deal or anything. Like I literally am just telling you guys. But the mascara I'm using is the Hourglass Unlocked mascara that a makeup artist gave me, and I absolutely love it. I love that it comes off really easily. Nothing bothers me more than having a mascara that you scrub the shit out of your eyes and it still doesn't come off and it's like stained under your eyes. I could rip my skin off, honestly, when that happens. It bothers me so much. But anyways, quickly just getting ready. I'm not doing any, like I literally did the most basic face eye makeup. I didn't even put eyeliner on. Should I put eyeliner on? I'm not gonna do it. That's so funny. I was literally about to draw it on. I'm like, forget it. And my hair, you already know guys, you already know what the hair is gonna look like. What have I been doing to my hair for the last 6 months? Chucking it in a clip. I also am trying not to put a lot of heat on my hair because like, I'm growing it out again, and like when I was putting so much heat on my hair, it just felt like straw and I absolutely hated it. I've just been like really rocking the clips and putting it up and stuff, but it's fine. I mean, who cares? Okay guys, so here's my outfit for today. I felt a little crazy and wanted to put a blazer on and be a little more dressed up because I have been in sweatpants and sweatshirts for the last 5 days. I'm wearing just like this gray blazer from Arrieta. This is a really casual tank. It's a DC shoe white tank. I'm wearing some black jeans and then I have my silver Pumas on. So I thought I'd do a cute little sporty office moment, I guess you could say. Okay guys, so I just got done with the showroom. Got a parking ticket. So that's fun. But I lied. I don't think I'm gonna go to xoxo matcha actually because I got gifted this like kombucha from there and it tastes really good, and like I don't care to go get matcha now because I have a drink that I want to drink. It's so good. It's Health Aids kombucha, blood orange, carrot, and ginger. So good. I love like spicy drinks, so it's like perfect for me. But I still am gonna go to the Grove real quick because I do want to go to Nordstrom's or Nordstrom, hello, to buy a candle or look at the candles that they sell there because the ones I want are specifically there. Okay guys, I found the candles. I'm in Nordstrom. They're the company Boy Smells. This one smells good. Cashmere Kush. This smells so good too. I feel like this is a hard decision because I'm like, what do I want my house to smell like? And that's like really important to me, you know? I don't want anyone walking in and being like, smells like ass. Okay guys, the candles are secured. I will show y'all what I got when I get home. Okay guys, I got home a couple hours ago, but like when I tell you, just so much stuff had to be done the second I walked through that door, and I was like, my stress levels went to 10,000. But I'm good now. It's been a couple hours. I finally got a lot done. But I wanted to share with you guys the candles that I bought. I literally already started burning like most of them. One of them I didn't burn because I wasn't sure if I wanted to burn it in my room or what, but I bought 4 candles. So the first scent, I think I bought 2 of the same. The first scent is Cameo. These candles smell so fucking good. That was aggressive, but they smell so damn good. So I'm burning that one in my kitchen right now. The one in the living room, I'm trying like not to show you the living room because like I want to show it to you when it's like better looking, but y'all will see it regardless because I'm not gonna be too anal about it. Like I have my sofa. I just want to wait at least till I get my new coffee table, I guess is kind of where I'm at. So give me till the next video. The next smell is Grace. This one also smells so good. They're like, it's weird. They all smell very similar, but there is something about them that makes them a little different. I don't know how to explain it, but this one smells delicious. This is the one I'm burning in my living room right now. And then I have one burning in my guest bathroom, and it's called Cashmere Kush. This one smells so good. It's like they all have like a, sorry, also, excuse me, what do I look like right now? Like I got thrown into a blender with a little bit of coconut oil. Anyways, they all smell like different versions of like a clean candle, but not like that annoying, like potent, chemically smell that's like not the best. Like one of them is a little more like rosy smelling, but it's like very clean and light, and I absolutely love those smells. Yeah, those are the candles I bought. Kind of obsessed. Okay guys, so it's the next morning. I just was way too tired to like just continue doing anything else last night. You see, I even put on the same fleece I had on when I got home just to continue the vibe. Also, what is my hair doing? If my hair looks absolutely absurd, I'm so sorry. It was like in a bun and it looked just insane. Do you guys ever wake up and you don't look at yourself in the mirror right away? I always forget. Like I will never wake up and be like, oh, let's see what the damage is this morning. And you go over to your mirror and like look at yourself. Like, oh fuck. I never look at myself in the mirror, and sometimes I will just like, you know, walk from my room to the kitchen. Even this is when I had like roommates. Like I remember sometimes Anne-Marie would even be like, Franny, you look crazy. Like I would just like walk around, whatever, and then after maybe 30 minutes, an hour would go by, and then I would eventually go to the bathroom and look at myself. But keep in mind, I've gone to the bathroom, I've done things, I just like don't look at myself. And then I look at myself and I'm like, oh, so that's what we're working with this morning. Cool. At least I live alone now, so the only person that could judge me is myself. Everybody say it with me. No, don't. That's horrible. Guys, you want to know the thing I discovered last night, which is mind-blowing? One sec, hold on. I need to get a cup of water. Before I continue, I'm going to show you guys my sofa, actually. I wasn't going to show it to you, but I'm just going to show it to you, and when I get my new coffee table, I'll show you that too. I'm not going to be annoying about that, whatever. I got my sofa 2 days ago. Look at her. She's beautiful, people. I love her. So that blanket was on my bed. I'm sure you guys probably recognize it. It was at the end of my bed. I decided to put it on the sofa because, you know, Henry, and just like to help not dirty it, I guess, as much. And it's literally identical, like the color is identical to the sofa. I got the sofa from Sunday's Furniture. Amazing sofa. They delivered it no problem. They were great. I was actually meant to get the sofa the beginning of December, and it arrived at the beginning of November. What I forgot about the sofa is that it has like this like water resistant fabric technology to it. So last night when I was here, I was like, wait, didn't they say it was like waterproof or something? So me, you know, typical me, I grab a little cup of water and I pour a little bit on the sofa, and I'm like, I gotta see if this shit's real, because like, what did I really pay for, you know what I mean? But I need to show it to you guys. Like, you guys are literally gonna be fucking shocked. Okay, ready? I don't know why when I saw this, I was like, this is insane. Did you see that? I swear, I pray on everything that that the camera got that. It's fully dry, it doesn't get wet. So then I was like, does it work with like wine and shit? And I'm like, I'm gonna just wait till someone accidentally, you know, spills some wine on it, and then we'll go from there. But how insane is that? Like, what the fuck? I just had to share that with you guys because I was fucking blown away on my own. Okay, also before everyone asks where I got these bar stools from, because these bar stools personally are a very proud find of mine. I was on Facebook Marketplace, and I'm a whore for Facebook Marketplace. I could be scrolling on that thing all day long. Found these on there, and they're like just these black vintage, black leather chromed bar stools. I found them, and I drove an hour and a half to go grab them, and then an hour and a half back by myself. But that's how dedicated I was. They were being sold at a really reasonable price. It's funny, I feel like it was meant to be, because I was looking, whatever, I was scrolling, looking for bar stools like this, and I found them, and I was like, oh my god. I was like, there's no way they're still available. They're insane. So then I messaged the guy. He's like, oh, someone's coming to grab 2 of them, I'm sorry. And I'm like, oh, whatever. He messages me back 30 minutes later. He's like, hi, they canceled, do you want them? And I'm like, I'm on my way. This is a very proud find of mine. If you guys don't know what Facebook Marketplace is or OfferUp, I'm telling you, you will find some gems on there. I found this table. I think this is from West Elm. It's like this like ceramic white table. It's like, I feel like a pretty popular side table, but I found that on there on Facebook Marketplace for, I think it was like $100, and it sold for $300. You just like find some great stuff on there, so get on that. What I didn't do yesterday that I really wanted to do is show you all the shit that I got from the showroom. So I'm just gonna get it from my wagon. Okay, don't laugh at me. I bought a wagon. It probably was the best thing I could have ever done, since I live in an apartment building now. Bringing stuff up from like downstairs in the garage all the way up to my apartment. Oh my god. Look, they spoiled me, and I'm so grateful for this. It's really crazy. I will say, full circle, this is just me being really fucking annoying right now, but I just remember when I literally was a waitress and I had no social media following at the time. I might have had like 2,000 to like 4,000 followers or something like that. And I was living in LA and I had friends that would get like, you know, PR packages and they'd get gifted free shit. And I always remember thinking like, it's so annoying that they get the free shit and I can't afford shit, so why are they getting the free stuff? It's true, I still think that. I'm like, fuck, but I mean, it's all business, you know, it's to post stuff, to promote stuff, which is what a business is. That being said, when I get gifted things like that, I'm extremely grateful for them. I know what it was like to not have these things, and I know what it was like to have to literally live off of $100 for a month or so. So like, I don't take any of this for granted. And I'm excited to show you guys. This is the first thing, because I'm wearing it already. I'll show you. It's a fleece from Madewell. How cute, right? I love the color too. Perfect fall color. It's fun. I need more color in my life. Okay, I'm just going to show you guys the shoes that I got. These Vince Camuto boots. I saw them and I screamed and I was like, please tell me you have my size. I just like can't wait to wear them. Look how insane these are. There are these like silver cowboy boots, like tall cowboy boots. First of all, I've been looking for cowboy boots. They're just so fun. And they're like great because you know you can either wear them out with something short or you can like tuck them into pants and then just like this part is showing. They're great. We love a silver boot. Okay, these are some Madewell jeans that I got. They're the baggy tapered. I get them a little looser just so that they sit kind of like lower on my waist. You can never go wrong with a nice pair of just throw on jeans. So these are great. Look how cute this set is that I want to pair with the silver boots. Brown cardigan, right? This is from Reformation. With the matching brown knit skirt with those silver boots. I'm screaming already. I'm screaming. These sneakers are super sick. So they're New Balances. They had like a brown pair that I really wanted, but didn't have my size in them. They had this like black gray charcoal. So cute. I'm obsessed. Yeah, so these are pretty sick. I've been like weirdly obsessed with like black gray sneakers. Black sneakers are kind of hard to pair with stuff. Obsessed with these. I already know all the comments are gonna be like, how many times Franny says I'm obsessed with this? Well, I am. Get over it. So this is like a set, which is super cute. You just can never go wrong with like a cozy set, you know what I mean? These are like some biker shorts. They're like a little loose on me, which is nice because I like just like loungy loose biker shorts. They're from a company called 4 Days. It's like a sustainable clothing brand. Super great quality clothing. It's just a zip up hoodie. You can't go wrong with a black zip up. Right? I saw this and I screamed. I love one pieces. I'm obsessed with them. This is a Good American one piece. It's like a metallic-y, like shiny material. I have literally, not from Good American, but from Arrieta. I have one that looks just like this, but it's like a soft matte situation. So, but I love one pieces. Really cute, just casual long sleeve from Madewell. I personally love just shirts like this that I can chuck on with like sweatpants, jeans, and I'm good to go. I love the color too. Okay, so I got these gray sweatpants from Bilbino. Obsessed. I love like the distressed gray color. And then I got a crew neck from Bilbino. I love like big lettered, just obnoxious shit on sweaters. Why not? I love how I was like, I need more color in my life, and all of them so far have been neutrals. But I'm about to show you the most colorful thing I probably grabbed. Look at this freaking sweater, guys. So this one is from Lou and Gray. I honestly have never heard of that brand. It's just like a really nice fleecy sweater that I will for sure be wearing. LA's been getting really cold at night. I know everyone's like, stop being a bitch. It's not cold. It's cold for me, so. Okay, I got this backpack. I've been needing a backpack for a while now, and I just haven't gotten around to buying one for like traveling and stuff. This is from the Sports Sack. Has a little laptop case. It's really cute. We love it. Oh my god, guys, this jacket is to die for. Good American leather jacket with some fur and boots with the fur, and I'm obsessed with it. It's so cute. Also, it's furry in the sleeves. I feel like a lot of jackets with fur in them, they just miss the sleeve part for some reason. I got these green jeans from Madewell. How fun! I've never had a pair of green jeans. These are from Loft. This is a wide leg, high rise, regular fit. I mean, I think you guys have realized like I have a theme going on with these jeans. I just like really like loose baggy jeans. Oh my god, look how sweet this top is. I love it. It's from J. Crew. Needs to be ironed, don't mind me. But look how sweet that top is. It has like really cute, it's like frilly trimming. It's a long sleeve with some trimming at the end. Oh, this is from that company, 4 Days, Better Days, what is it called? The sustainable brand that I showed you guys earlier. You never could go wrong with just like a really nice black turtleneck. All right, guys, that is literally everything. It's absurd how much shit I got. But like I said, super grateful. I'll probably try and put an outfit together. I'm gonna keep drinking my coffee because it's probably ice cold now. Guys, I'm with the ladies. Say hi. Say hi. We're all floating heads right now because
It's kind of dark.
it's kind of dark in here.
Don't worry, it's 4:30 and the sun's down.
Basically, the stream we're doing with JC is, what is that again? Oh,
Someone has to guess who's the sober one.
Out of
so
6.
out of 6 people, like 5 are drunk and one is
yeah.
sober.
5 drunk.
Yeah, 1 sober, 5 drunk. Unfortunately, we are all gonna be part of the drunk crew.
Yeah.
I didn't ask for that. At the end, I was about to be like, I'll volunteer as the sober one.
Alexis beat us to the punch.
Yeah, she did. Guys, who do we think is gonna get the most fucked up?
Franny.
Really?
For sure.
Oh, okay. Lyra?
Franny.
Really?
Lyra.
Hey, okay.
I think Lyra and Ayla, because they're so tiny.
I think Ayla's gonna fall apart.
Ayla, I forgot.
Ayla had some fun on the 4th of July.
She's had a few fun nights in the last.
And then she weighs an ounce. And so you put one little drop of liquor in there and she's like,
I was here, what, 2 days ago? Wow, look, JC's really taking his streams up to the next fucking level.
Yeah.
Oh, you're backlit.
At least I'm trying. Oh, am I? Ready to get drunk or what?
I'm scared
Of what?
of being drunk at 4 p.m.
Behind the scenes?
JC just said we have to get drunk really quickly. I got it. Here, give me your glass.
Oh my god.
I want to vomit. This isn't even the whole
This
thing.
looks like a fucking angle of like, what's it called?
Hey.
The RDX? What is it called?
Fran, is this yours?
What is it? Yeah.
Honestly, you stand over there.
RDX. What is it called?
RDX.
Wait, can I do Project
RDX.
Okay, great.
I have no idea where mine went.
Did you take it already?
No, right here. Arriba! Salud.
Oh my gosh.
I'm only taking one.
No. That was so bad.
How we feeling, Ayla?
Fucking disgusting.
Chelsea, how we feeling?
Good.
Lyra?
The lime.
It's funny if there's a hard cut to her just like sitting there.
Let's go. Chug, ready? 5, 6, 7, 8.
I put a shot and then I put
Get laced up, get
Wow.
Oh, Chelsea won because then I added a little.
They're birds.
Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8. How drunk are you?
Let's not talk about it.
Sober as a fucking fish. Alright, how?
True, because fish drink water every day, so that's gotta be like a drunk situation, right?
Okay, how drunk are you?
That you know how drunk she is after that answer.
Okay, Chelsea, from 1 to 10, how drunk are you?
Maybe like a 4 out of 10.
Okay, that's a nice.
Feeling good.
That's a nice place to be.
Hi, I'm Ayla, and I think Chelsea's gonna be the most drunk tonight.
No. How drunk are you right now?
0.
0, really?
0, but look at my outfit.
Wow. From 1 to 10, how drunk are you?
I'm gonna say, me and Anne-Marie have been drinking the same amount. I'm like a 5 out of 10.
Okay.
1 out of 10.
How drunk are you?
4.
Wow.
Shut the fuck up. No, you're
You're
not.
5.
You're like at 6. Okay, we finished the video. Who got the drunkest?
This girl.
Ayla.
I was right.
Yay! We love that. Let's go to the club.
Let's go